It gets worse and worse, I swear. Honestly, we go from Ito to Muller to this. When you want to be positive and you're feeling good. Hey guys, welcome to the Bayern View. Hopefully everybody's doing it okay. If you're wondering what I'm going on about, Kim Min-jae. That's what I'm going on about. So Kim is now is suffering from back problems because he's got an illness. It gets worse and worse and worse every single time. Let me mute 1 second. I need to cough. That's mad. Honestly, this is mad. So yeah, this is what's come out. Zoom this in a bit. The initial plan for Kim Min-jae was to rest against Sao Paulo, so obviously the game we just played, following his recent Achilles tendon problems. But he had to play because there was no options, right? Kim played despite having a cold and now is suffering from back problems because of the cold. So here, this is the main bit. The bit I've highlighted is the main bit. Anything else doesn't matter. This last line now is suffering from back problems. We are utterly fudged. Honestly, we're utterly fucked. You know, when people are like, oh, you're just overreacting, Liam. Am I? Am I fucking really? Am I fucking really? Like, my word. This is... honestly, you think it's bad, and then it just continues and continues and continues to get worse. Is there a way that some of the women's players can play for Bayern's men's team? And I'm not saying that in a bad way, honestly. I mean it, because my word, we are utterly fucked. Like, we really are. Like, I'm looking at it right now. We've got Upper out, Ito out, Davies out. So centre-back wise, we've got Stanny, Eric Dyer, Min-jae, and that's it. 3 centre-backs. We're gonna have to play Goretzka. I don't think he's going to bring up one of the young centre-backs. It's probably not the wisest idea. Anyway, we can't sign players. So if we don't have Kim, we've got Eric Dyer and Stanny, and that's it. He's going to have to play Goretzka at centre-back or Polini at centre-back. I know people are going to laugh when I say that, but I mean it. Because there's nobody else you can play there. There really isn't. Not unless there's a way that we can give Vincent Kompany to play. And I mean that. By the way, I'm not taking the piss. I'm being dead serious when I say that. Because we literally have 2 centre-backs. Because if Kim is going to be forced to play, you know that means he's going to have a shit performance. Like, he didn't have the best performance against St. Pauli. Cool, we won. But, yeah, we're going to have to outscore every team. I know that people are like, oh, that's normally how you win football games. I mean it, though. Like, properly, we're going to have to outscore every single opponent we go against. Just forget about Inter. I mean the league-wise. Because I don't think Augsburg are going to come to roll over to us. If you don't know, let me speed you up 5 seconds. Augsburg is our local rival. So they ain't coming to roll over. They're coming to roll us over, bro. Like, can Peretz play centre-back? Like, for real? I'm not even joking. At this point, I'm not even taking the piss. Like, madness. Herbal needs sacking, bro. He really does. He really does. He needs sacking. Yeah, sackable offence on its own, just for what we're having to deal with as Bayern fans right now. To be honest with you, like, it's a joke. It's honestly a joke. I don't know. I really, really don't know. At this point, I'm just confused. I don't really know what to say. It's mad. It really is. It's bonkers. I don't know. yeah, like I said, I really, really don't know. I don't really know how to feel. Because it's like, cool, Min-jae can still play. He's not out. But if he's struggling, you don't want him to play because you know that he's going to have a bad performance. They probably will play him, but that's not gonna be good for us, you know. Oh, my word, my word, my word, my word. It just gets worse. I swear, it gets worse and worse and worse. Again, let's just reiterate what I'm actually saying. And again, like he said, like Marcel says here, bruv, make it stop, please. It's like it just gets worse and worse and worse. So let me zoom this in again, and I'll read it one more time, and I won't stop this time. The initial plan for Kim Min-jae was to be rested against St. Pauli following his recent Achilles tendon problems, but he had to play because there was no other option. Kim played despite having a cold, and now he is suffering from back problems because of the cough. So because he's got a cold, he's now struggling. If you don't laugh, you're going to cry. So, yeah. Hopefully, guys are doing okay. And another day of FC Hollywood. Cheers for watching.